What is the blend feature on Instagram? In order to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. Well, it is one of the Instagram's latest feature, which is called Blend, and it is designed to personalize your experience even more when it comes to sharing reels with friends. Blend creates a private feed of reels that merge the interest of you and a friend based on what you both like and engage with. When you start a blend with someone, Instagram's algorithm curates a selection of reels tailored specifically for the two of you, making it easier to discover content you both enjoy. Well, it also updates regularly and lives in your DMs, so it's easy to access anytime. In order to have access to the blend, first of all you have to move into the inbox of the person that you want to turn on the blend. So click on this icon at the top. In this page, you can also see the short description about the blend feature. So what you're going to do is simply click on join. And once that person joins the blend, you guys will be able to see the suggested reels. You will be able to access to these reels anytime you want to. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.